Okay guys, so the following clip you're going to see is of a quick short position on GBP USD trading the NFP release a couple of weeks ago. I actually recorded it and I was planning on doing an account flip and everything, but I only ended up taking one trade, so that was the short which I actually showed you guys. We didn't get the longs which we were actually anticipating. After the shorts, price just kept melting, so we didn't get the positions. So you'll see the clip and then I'll speak to you after the clip. Okay guys, so it is time for NFP. I just thought I'd do a little recording of the trades I'm actually going to take on this NFP if we actually take any trades. Obviously we're expecting the spread to widen quite soon, so we're not going to take the initial move, but you guys know that after the initial move there's usually an inverse trade, so this is what I'm actually going to be trading. Depending on price, obviously we have this massive imbalance down here which we could just plummet down to, but pound has been quite strong this week, so we could just see a push straight to the upside. Again, that's just pretty much saying it can buy or sell, but that is the truth. So I guess we'll see what happens with this trade. I'm trading my personal account, and what do we have? We get that drop down. You see the spread is absolutely wild. I'm expecting a drop probably down to the level I marked. Maybe it's like this sort of level. So let's see what happens here. So I just mark that on here as well. This sort of level I feel like it's going to hit. At this level, we could probably look for some buys. And I do think price is going to retrace to these highs again. So we'll wait to see if it continues dropping. But you'll see here also difference between TradingView and MT4. Happens a lot where people get tagged in their trades on TradingView, get stopped out on the MT4 instead. But it just shows you that the difference is quite large. Yeah, will we come down to this level? That's what we're going to find out. So we can sell down to this level now. Also, do not replicate this because I've traded NFP for the past 4 years, so the way I trade it is specific to my style. I know how much I'm willing to risk. Obviously, I'm not risking massive amounts of money, compared to my normal trading. You'll see me usually use like 20 lots, 30 lots, but we're only using 3 lots on this trade because profit is profit, and I'm really willing to risk a certain amount, and that's why we're entering this trade here. So we're up around 140, 160, 190, very nice, over 200. Obviously we're targeting this level for a reason. I see a lot of people, they trade news and they just enter or exit randomly. This is an area I see price coming down to. We also have this level here which we could see a bit of interference at, but it's kind of like this area in here. If we just move this over, this area in here, me just change the color. This area in here is where I see price actually dropping to in the next couple of minutes at least, or the next candle after this, if we don't hit it on this exact candle. Okay, we're dropping down now, and a lot of people, they'll be in this trade and they'll see it dropping and they'll extend their take profit, but that's kind of the worst thing you want to do, is obviously change your take profit because you see a lot of volatility. It's a very, very dangerous game. You see we're coming down close to the take profit now. If we hit this, it's around £578, which is probably around $800 or so. 400 now. We're going to continue dropping. Here we go. Dropping now to the take profit. Can we hit? Can we hit? And if we do hit, it'll be, you know, £580 made within 5 or 6 minutes of actively trading. Which I think, if you're doing like an hourly return, hourly rate of work, I think that is very, very good. See, here we go. Going to drop now. We're going to hit the take profit. Reacted off that level straight away, but I do feel like we're going to hit it. Come on, tighten that little spread. Tighten that spread a little bit more. Obviously, spreads are larger because of the news event anyway, so that is expected. But that was very, very close. But I don't like closing out early, even if it's a couple of pips away. So there we go, take profit hit, NFP completed, made around £578, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, £579 on that trade, which I'm very, very happy with. So you've seen the profit which we actually made. It was very, very nice. And with these NFP trades, I might trade the next NFP and do a smaller account, trading it into a larger account or something like that, because I'm not really going to trade them on funded accounts just based on the daily loss and the drawdown rules, but just thought I'd show you a little bit of live trading on NFP release because a lot of people seem to love it. You know, if you want more behind the scenes and everything, be sure to subscribe to this channel and subscribe to the newsletter down below in the description.